We, a team of 5, are here to explain the motive behind our project One Step to a Safe Cooking. Our main objective is to make cooking safe and to overcome the carelessness of human beings by making things automatic. Here is a list of chances by which gas accidents and gas wastage usually occurs. This chart explains the percentage of accidents which happens due to gas leakage alone at home. The next slide gives the statistics of the number of deaths occurred last year due to gas accidents alone. The various states have been mentioned. Now we are going to demonstrate the technique how and what we have chosen to overcome the following issue. This is the overall setup which we are going to use as a solution to the problem discussed above. We have divided the entire setup into 3 segments. One by using the gas sensor, the other by using the PIR, and the other is the servo motor. And here we have used the IC from the launch pad. We have taken the IC from the launch pad and have used for the PCB design. Now comes the basic gas detection. If a gas leakage is detected by the gas sensor, the IC will start glowing. We can extend this particular glowing of LED to servo motor to control the regulator. That is, if a gas leakage is detected by the gas detector, the regulator will be automatically switched off using the servo motor. Now we are going to discuss the second case. Consider the person who is cooking is present in the kitchen itself. Now, if human being is detected by the PIR, the entire setup will remain constant. See, the PIR sensor detects the movement, and the servo motor doesn't have any effect on the servo motor, and the entire system remains stable. We have considered the case of the person being present in the place of cooking. Now there is no change in the servo motor. Now consider the case where the person has left the cooking place. Now you can notice the servo motor turns to switch off the regulator. Now by doing this, the regulator will be automatically switched off, which in turn switches off the regulator, so that we can save energy, gas, as well as prevent accidents in the absence of person.